Hi friends, welcome to Fresh Bites. In this video, we are going to see the most popular South Indian sweet, the Ghee Mysore Pak. It tastes delicious, very soft in texture and melts in your mouth. It doesn't require much preparation time. I'm going to be sharing you the most simplest way. So let's get started. If you are new to Fresh Bites, please consider subscribing and also press the bell icon to know about the latest update. We require just these three ingredients to make Mysore Pak: the gram flour, sugar and ghee. Let's see the measurement. I have taken a cup of gram flour. Using the same cup, we need to measure the other two ingredients. Take 1.5 cup of sugar and 2 cups of ghee. You can even replace 2 cups of ghee with 1 cup of ghee and 1 cup of oil. Let's begin making the sugar syrup. In a cooker, I am going to add all the sugar and pour 3/4 cup of water. Keep the flame on a medium high and wait for 6 whistles. We can switch off the flame. Meanwhile, take a pan, add the gram flour and roast them on a very low flame. This will take 7 to 8 minutes or until the raw smell is completely gone. Once the flour is cooled completely, it is very important to sieve them. It's been a while, the pressure is released. Let's check if the sugar syrup is ready. You will get this one string consistency. Now transfer the sugar syrup into a pan. Meanwhile, in another burner, I'm going to heat the ghee in a very low flame. Keeping the flame on very low, I'm going to add the basin flour to the syrup little by little and keep stirring nicely until the basin flour mixes well with the sugar syrup without any lumps. Once the basin flour and the sugar syrup are thoroughly mixed and no lumps are visible, I'm going to keep the flame back to medium low. Now let's add 2 to 3 tablespoons of hot ghee to the basin mixture. Keep stirring them continuously until the ghee is completely absorbed. We need to keep repeating the same step of adding the ghee and stirring it continuously until the basin mixture reaches the desired consistency. The right consistency is when the mixture turns golden in color and the ghee starts to rise up from the sides and begins to separate. We can switch off the flame and immediately transfer the mixture to the greased pan and allow them to rest until they are warm. Grease the knife with ghee and cut the pieces of Mysore Pak as desired. Leave it to cool further to the room temperature and then flip it onto a plate. Make a deeper cut and store them in an airtight container and serve when you like. This mouth-watering recipe is sure to be loved by people of all age groups. Try this recipe at home and enjoy it with your family and friends. Thanks for watching the video.